Hi, I'm just here to walk you through the basic setup guide for the MP160. So to start off with, we're going to turn it on. As you can see, it begins to heat up with the little light there, and that's just showing the set temperature. Right, so the first thing you want to do is have a spare mug inside it whenever you're heating the mug press up to begin with. Obviously afterwards you can sort of, when you put in the production mug, you can just chain it with production mugs afterwards, but it's always best to have a spare mug inside just for the initial sort of heating and have it clamped shut, just to avoid damaging the heating element. Right, so first things first, obviously, to start off with, press OK and you get P1, and we've got it set to 180. You can change this obviously with the up and down arrow keys. Press OK again, it will flash as P2, and then you have your timing setting. We recommend 170 to 180 to begin with. If your mugs are being sort of stored in a cool area, so like in a shed or outside in a warehouse for example, and the mugs are quite cold, you might need to increase the time if you're getting sort of fading on the mugs, which is more common during like the colder times of the year. Press OK just to confirm them both, and it'll go back to the heating up screen. So you can see, again, heating up. Once it's hit the temperature, you should have an alarm that kicks in, just to let you know that it's up to the set one. Okay, so obviously when it gets to that level, have your production mug in with the tape and the paper sorted, put it back in, clamp it down, and you'll notice that because the mug's cold, that you've just replaced it with the production one, you'll notice that the temperature drops down quite a bit. If you wait for this to reach back up to 180 again, and then we advise to start the timer. So you can either wait for it to kick in up to 180, but maybe we just use this red button on the sides here, and there you can see it begins to count down. Okay. And that concludes the basic sort of setup guide for the MP160. If you have any further questions, you can contact us through our support email or give us a call. Okay, thanks. Bye.